What's up, y'all? My name is Kunchi, and this is Kenneth from North Texas Barbecue Addicts. Today, we're going to be grilling up a tri-tip over live fire using the Duraflame char logs.
So we're gonna get this tri-tip trimmed up just a little bit. It's already looking nice, so we can cook it over the live fire. We're gonna turn this around here. It's got a little bit of a raised fat cap there. That's really all we're gonna do before we get it seasoned up. Nothing crazy, just go right up underneath that top portion and let the knife do the work. Get some of this extra off as well. Then we're gonna get it seasoned up. We're going to be using 1836 beef rub.
Al Frugoni says, when you're cooking over live fire, this is how you check to make sure you have good heat, that you're not going to burn your food. So you want to make sure your hand can be here for about 3 to 5 seconds. That's perfect for this tri-tip. We're going to get it on the grill. Tossing it on fat cap down. And like Kunchi said, we're just going to make sure we're cooking evenly with this live fire. We'll start rotating it how we need to, and we'll keep y'all posted. So this bad boy's been rolling, and we just checked the temperature. Look at those juices, guys. The perfect crust. We're at about 130 degrees internal. We're gonna pull this bad boy off the live fire grate. We're gonna let it rest, and we're gonna start working on our chimichurri. Right now, the live fire tri-tip is ready. It's been resting for about 15 minutes. Look at that crust. We do this all over the Duraflame char logs. No, I can't wait to slice into this. Look at that crust. Nice fat cap. Great color. So now we're gonna separate the two muscles here. Juices, perfection. Oh my god. Because we sliced the two muscles separately, now we're gonna cut against the grain.
It smells insane right there. That smells really good.
Let's give it a little taste. On each slicer, yeah, man, let's get a slice. Yeah. So here's a roasted red pepper chimichurri. I don't put parsley in my chimichurri at all. Well, let's give this a taste.
Hold it up like a steak taco. Cheers, bro. Damn. That's good right there, bro. That's too good. You can taste that smoke in the beef, obviously. You can taste that smoke in the chimichurri.
Yep, because we roasted the pepper.
All the flavors, man. A little bit of kick from that pepper. That's good, bro.
Happy 4th.
That's fire, bro. Damn.